Hello, my name is Saksham Garg. I'm equity research intern at inSAKE Solutions. So this is part 2 of Finance Solution. So today I'm going to discuss about how was my experience with inSAKE Solution, how I felt during the internship, whether I was able to get the job in finance industry by enrolling into these courses or not. So I'll explain all about these things. So let's start. So my experience with inSAKE Solution was really amazing, as I got to learn numerous things from experts. With starting with interpersonal skills like communication skills. I got training on soft skills, effective presentation skills, time management and stress management skills. So in addition to this, I got the training on equity research with basics to advanced, where some less likely topics were also included. So when I joined the internship, I was certain that there would be only practical knowledge, theoretical knowledge only. So when I joined the internship, I got to know that there are experts, well-trained experts who give the practical knowledge which is needed in the corporate sectors, so that they were able to go into the job and perform and show their best skills there. So that each day when I used to perform the task, I were able to inculcate those skills into me. So there were handmade, tailor-made courses where we used to watch 2 others each day, and then we used to get the assignments on that. And in the end, we got the live projects also. There are 4 projects, and when there was only learning before those live projects, and when I completed those learnings, those projects, I thought that I was changed and know how to prepare an equity research reports where the all practical aspects are included. So each day when I used to think, I think that I'm improving, I have these skills right now. So if in the end of the internship I don't get the full-time opportunity from inSAKE Solutions, I can go to other company and give interviews. I'm really confident about my communication skills, presentation skills, where I can showcase them and get any finance job in the corporate sector. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.